Know about women. Everything I know about women, presented by Paul Detlak.
Welcome, friends, distinguished guests, but especially my fans. My fans, I know you've been long awaiting this debut of my new book. Everything I know about women. These pages are chock full of sheer genius. Not for me, but sheer genius. It took a lot of guts, chutzpah, to come up with this. And I know that different people relate in different manners. So for you technical-minded type people, I have come up with and discovered a formula for women. To find a good woman, or a good woman, takes time and money. Therefore, woman equals time times money. We all know time is money. Therefore, time equals money. But that means women equal money squared. Starting to sound expensive? It is. We also know that money is the root of all problems. Therefore, if the square and the root cancel out, women equal problems. Very mathematical. Some of us relate more to visuals, to concepts, and I want to include things like that in my book as well. And as I was thinking, I thought way back my experience with women, way back. And I noticed something very peculiar in my early days, that girls would go to the bathroom together. Why would they do this? I discovered it is basic boy boot camp in the bathroom. Not so they can discover about boys, but so they can discover how to annoy them, how to challenge them, how to make them frustrated. And this continues on up through womanhood. Every once in a while, you'll see two women going to the bathroom together. This is because they want a refresher course. They want to compare notes. Is this working for you? I did this. It worked great. They compare notes. I also discovered that the word girl is an acronym for everything that embodies a woman. G, Gremlins. If you saw the movie, you know they're cute, cuddly, soft, you just want to take them home type things. Describes a woman. But there are three things in that movie that you are absolutely forbidden to do, otherwise they turn into little monsters. The same thing is true for women. We can put a man on the moon, but today we have not discovered what those three things are. Gremlins. I, irrational and irritable. This is really kind of our fault, guys. A woman expects her man to match their mood. The problem is, they're already 3 or 4 moods ahead of us before we discover what mood they're in. Therefore, they seem to us irrational and irritable. R, reward points. That's a misnomer. They work on a negative point system. For example, you take your wife out for her birthday. You get 0 points. They figure, after all, why should I give you points for something you should be doing anyways? You take them to a sports bar, negative 10 points. You take them to an all-you-can-eat sports bar, negative 20 points. Your favorite team happens to be playing at this all-you-can-eat sports bar, negative 30 points. And it's cumulative, 10, 20, 30, you now have negative 60 points. What about your weight? We know that women are very weight conscious, but they're also very weight conscious about their guy. If you gain a few extra happy pounds, such as me, but you try to get rid of it, 0 points. Because you shouldn't have gained that weight anyways. If you wear Hawaiian shirts, a little extra large to cover it, that's negative 10 points. If you say, what's the big deal? You got one too. That's negative 800 points, and there's no brownie points that are going to get you out of that one. L, language. Oh my goodness. We work off different dictionaries. Take the word fine. For a woman, when she says the word fine, that does not mean things are fine. That means she wants to tear your guts out. That she knows she's right, and she wants you to shut up. How about the word 5 minutes? I'll be ready in 5 minutes. Here again, guys, this is our fault. We're in the middle of a football game, and they say, honey, can you do something? And we say, yeah, 5 minutes left in the game. We all know that the last 5 minutes of a football game is a half hour or more. So when they say, yes, I'll be ready in 5 minutes, they figure it's a fair exchange. How about the word nothing? When they say the word nothing, you know you're in trouble. Nothing means everything. Nothing means that the whole world is about to collapse. You don't even know it. If you ask them what's wrong, and they say nothing, and you go, okay. Oh. That means you are now going to be in an argument that lasts 5 minutes where she ends with the word fine. But we have another issue. It is a scientifically proven fact that women speak 4 times more words than men. We may only speak 1 million in our lifetime, but they speak 4 million plus. And that causes problem in conversations. For instance, a woman comes up to her man and says, honey, I just walked into the bedroom and I saw this stuff all over the floor. Stuff on the floor. I want you in there right now picking your clothes off the floor right now. Of course, they do this at a very inopportune time. You're in Nirvana watching your favorite sports team. So when they say this, what do we hear? Honey, in the bedroom, clothes off now. Which leads to an argument that lasts 5 minutes where both the man and woman say, fine. So what do I really know all about women? Absolutely nothing.